Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Redbooth and export tasks, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Redbooth, begin by closing the application if it is currently running. On a Windows computer, open the control panel from the Start menu. Select Programs and then click on Uninstall a program. Find Redbooth in the list of installed programs. Right-click on Redbooth and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. For Mac users, open the Applications folder in Finder. Locate the Redbooth application. Drag the Redbooth icon to the trash. Alternatively, right-click the icon and select Move to Trash. Now, let's export your tasks from Redbooth before log into your Redbooth account through a web browser. Navigate to the project that contains the tasks you want to export. Click on the Tasks tab to view all the tasks. Locate the option to export tasks, often found under Project Settings. Choose the desired format for your exported tasks, such as CSV or Excel. Click on the Export button to download the file to your computer. Save the file in a location where you can easily find it later. After exporting, confirm that all your tasks have been successfully saved. This ensures you have a backup of your tasks before proceeding with uninstallation. With these steps completed, you can now proceed with the uninstallation of Redbooth from your device. Remember to check for any leftover files or folders after the uninstall process. This will help ensure a complete removal of the application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.